Imagine if your money could walk, talk, and actually work for you. Would it be hustling hard or just lounging on the couch? Most of us treat money like a static thing. We earn it, spend it, maybe save a bit, and wonder why it never grows. But here's the secret. Money can work for you if you know how to make it move. Think of money as a tiny worker. It doesn't have feelings, but it does respond to where you put it. Left in a piggy bank? Lazy. Put in investments? Hustling. Money, like a worker, needs direction, motivation, and a plan to grow. If you deposit $100 in a savings account, your dollar slowly walks on a treadmill, moving inches per year. But if you invest $100 in a stock index, your dollar takes off on a jetpack, zooming upwards and multiplying energy. Savings accounts are snail-paced, while investments can be like rocket-powered workers. Here's where it gets magical: compounding. Your money isn't just working, it can make more workers. It's like hiring mini dollars that then hire their own mini dollars. Over time, this creates a snowball that grows faster and faster. Year 1, $100 becomes $110. Year 2, $161. Year 10, $259. It's like planting seeds in a garden. One seed grows into a tree that drops more seeds. Let your money plant trees instead of just sitting on the couch. Not all work is equal. Just like a human worker, money performs differently depending on the job. Savings accounts are safe and slow. Bonds are stable and predictable. Stocks or index funds are risky, dynamic, and high potential. Business or entrepreneurship has the highest potential, but also the highest responsibility. Match the worker to the work. You wouldn't make a lazy worker build a skyscraper, so don't make your money do a job it's not suited for. Even money has its limits. Kinda. Over-leveraging or taking on high-risk schemes can burn out your worker, leaving you with nothing. The key is balance. Let your dollars work steadily, consistently, and smartly. Diversify, keep an emergency fund, and avoid scams. Don't send workers to dangerous construction sites without safety gear. Here's the truth. Money itself isn't magical. It doesn't care about you, your dreams, or your stress, but the way you use it determines how hard it works. Treat it like a loyal employee. Set goals, track progress, reward growth, and get out of its way once it's trained. Your dollar worker needs a job description, training, tools, and time. People make mistakes. They hoard cash, leaving the worker lazy. They spend first and save later, exhausting their dollars. They chase trends, making the workers dizzy and confused. They ignore compounding, making their workers walk instead of run. Don't micromanage each dollar, but don't ignore them either. Guide, allocate, and let them work their magic. So, how do you make money work? First, know your starting point. Count your dollars. Second, set a goal and give your worker a destination. Third, allocate wisely. Different workers for different tasks. Fourth, be consistent. Schedule regular contributions. Fifth, monitor but don't panic. Let compounding do its job. Money can work for you, but only if you give it the right environment, tasks, and time. Treat it like a worker. Train it, guide it, and let it grow. One day, the tiny worker you hired today could be the giant that helps you live life on your terms. Work hard, little buddy. We're building something big together. If you like this video, hit subscribe for more stick-figure money adventures. And remember, your dollars are waiting for their first job.